The faucet. There once lived a man named Elias Wren, who had grown up with nothing but the hunger in his belly and the fire of ambition in his chest. He spent his childhood watching his mother choose between dinner and rent, vowing one day to conquer the tyranny of poverty. In his desperate pursuit, Elias stumbled upon an old book in a pawnshop, The Architect of Fortune. Hidden within its cryptic diagrams was a spell said to unlock the flow of endless wealth. Laughing at his own foolishness but with nothing left to lose, Elias followed its instructions to the letter. On the 7th night of the 7th month, he turned the knob of an old brass faucet newly installed in his wall, and money poured out. Not water, not coins, but crisp, perfect $100 bills. The room erupted in an avalanche of green. He called it the faucet of Providence. At first, it was paradise. Elias lined the walls, the ceilings, and even the windows with money. The floor was a sea of wealth, and he waded through it like a king. He never had to work, worry, or want again. He bought houses, cars, even politicians. Anything, anyone, had a price. But as the months passed, Elias noticed something strange. His food lost flavor, laughter sounded hollow, relationships faded, people didn't see him anymore, only the faucet. They came in droves, friends and strangers alike, begging for a turn. But when anyone else twisted the handle, nothing came out. Only Elias could summon the flow. So they grew bitter. They called him greedy, parasite, devil. Some even tried to steal it. Elias walled up his mansion and lived inside the vault of his own making, sealed with dollar bills. The faucet, once a miracle, became an obsession. He could not stop it. Every day, it poured more money. And every day, the walls pressed in closer. Eventually, there was no more space. No room to sit, lie, or breathe. The paper weighed down on him like stone. One morning, Elias screamed and tried to shut it off. He turned the knob with all his might, but the faucet wouldn't budge. That was the last anyone saw of Elias Wren. Some say the mansion still stands deep in the forest, silent and suffocated, its windows dark but its golden faucet still flowing, endlessly. Moral. The thirst for wealth may one day drown the soul that drinks too deeply.